Welcome to the new Storm Central national and regional forecasts that will be issued daily right here at stormcentral.com. Taking a look at the Independence Day forecast for the country, starting in the northeast, looks like scattered showers and thunderstorms and a few possible severe will target parts of the region on this July 4th. Best chance for severe storms will be in central and northern New England. Temperatures will be average to 10 degrees above average. Highs will range from the 70s in Maine to the upper 90s across the mid-Atlantic. The region will be mostly dry on Thursday with highs in the upper 90s and over 100 degrees in central Maryland and southern and central Virginia. Cooler in the New England area on Thursday. Taking a look at the southern states, scattered thunderstorms will develop in the lower Mississippi Valley, eastward into southwest Texas today. Isolated storms could briefly be severe with strong and gusty winds, and also you can't rule out some small hail. Breezy conditions will continue over the southern plains and South Texas. Temperatures will be vary from average to 10 degrees above average in the region. Highs will range from the 90s to over 100 degrees except for upper 80s in central and southern Florida. The setup will be similar on Thursday, but drier conditions will be in the Carolinas. Taking a look at the Midwest now, looks like the 4th will be dry over this part of the region. Scattered thunderstorms, a few severe, will develop from the extreme eastern Dakotas to Wisconsin. Meanwhile, isolated thunderstorms will dot parts of the southern Great Lakes and eastern Ohio Valley. Temperatures will be very hot with 5 to 15 degrees above average. Highs will generally range from the 90s to mid-hundreds, except 80s and a few upper 70s near the Canadian border. While isolated thunderstorms will develop in the Ohio Valley on Thursday, thunderstorms will be ongoing and developing in the southern part of the Dakota, Nebraska, and western Great Lakes. Taking a look at the western part of the country, it looks like today will be dry from the northern Rockies and the west coast. Scattered thunderstorms, a couple of them will be strong with wind gusts likely in Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado. The best chance for brief downpours will be over southern part of Arizona and New Mexico. A few isolated thunderstorms will develop over southern Wyoming, Utah, southern Nevada, and southeast California. Breezy conditions will be mainly confined over the Nevada and northern Montana area. With a developing monsoon over this region, looks like temperatures will be below average in the desert southwest. Highs will range from 65 to 74 degrees along the coast to 80s and 90s in the higher part of the elevations in the plains, and between 86 and 100 degrees over the desert southwest. A similar pattern is set up for Thursday, but it will be slightly drier in Arizona and wetter in Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado, which really needs the rain. Thanks for joining us for Storm Central's first edition video for the national and regional forecast.